Alright, this question asks us to write a Python program to get a new string from a given string where the word your has been added to the front. If the given string already begins with your, then return the string unchanged. I'm going to define a function here and I'll use string slicing. So let's begin with defining our function. I'm going to call it string and I will pass in a parameter called str. And then I want to check the first 6 characters of this string if it contains your. To do this, I need to count these characters, starting from position 0. So y is at position 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to 5, I need to check the positions 0 to 5. For this reason, I'm going to say if str, which is our string, positions 0 to 5, so starting from 0 to 5, and I'm not gonna type 5, I'm gonna put 6. I know that by default you need to add one more because 6 the 6 is not counted here. So if positions 0 to 6 contain the string your, then return that string for me unchanged. Otherwise, add the word your to the beginning of that string and return it. So return your plus string, and this is basically concatenation. You concatenate these two. So let's run it. So print and then string, and then I'm going to pass in an argument to see how it works. And I like to pass in brilliant. So let's run it. I'm going to make more space here. So run it, and there you go. You're brilliant. But the problem here is there is no space here between your and brilliant, so I'm going to make space. You can do it either here, you put the space here, or you can make a space from here. So there is, so you can concatenate and you can add extra space here in between, and then if you run it, you will see that now there's a space. The other point that I want to mention here is to keep this code pretty short as much as possible. To do this, I'm gonna omit the else statement, this part, and I'm gonna just keep the return part. In this way, you will see that it gives you the same result. I'm gonna run. See, you're brilliant. Now let's see if we put your at the beginning of this string and see if it makes any changes, because by default and per this question, if that string starts with your, then it should return it unchanged. So let's run it, and there you go. You're brilliant. It didn't add any your to the beginning of it. And this is all about this tutorial. It was very nice practice. I really like it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.